Good morning children. Myself Satyalakshmi. Today onwards I will teach you TL Hindi. Okay? Hindi classes, TL Hindi classes I will teach. And previous class you learn textbook page number 20. Okay? Up to page number 20 you learn, no? Now time to learn ऐसे मनाए त्योहार is the third lesson. Okay, and whatever is there, this one, see, along with me we have to read. देखो देखो आया त्योहार, देखो देखो आया त्योहार means see, festival is coming. लाया खुशियों की बहार means what? Along with festival happiness will come. Eid, Diwali, Onam, Christmas. What is this? Eid, Diwali, Onam, Christmas. What is this? These are festivals. And आओ मनाए सब मिलजुल कर. आओ मनाए सब मिलजुल कर. We all together will meet and celebrate festival. Okay children, you have to learn this. Okay, next. Now time to learn A. Okay children, this is the A, and how they written here A, you have to write same here A. Okay, this is the A, you have to write same like that A. And A say album, A say album. In English also we will call album only. Okay, now A after what? I. Here see how they written A and I same one only, but you have to keep up one line. A, I. Okay, now you have to write I same as it is. See and write. Okay, I say ainak. What is this? I say ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Okay children, you have to write afterwards these two. How they written like that you have to write, and you have to fill it color also here. Okay, these two pictures. Next, coming to exercise. This is the first Roman. What they told? Recognize the letter and circle the same. वर्ण पहचानिए और समान वर्ण पर गोला लगाइए. So, what is this A? In this A, is there in these four letters? Yes, this is there. Then you have to circle it. Okay, na? Like that only I. I is there in these four letters? Yes, it is there. You have to circle it in this. Okay, na? Like that and you have to follow. Okay, na children? Now, next, this is the second Roman. What they are told? चित्र पहचानिए और उसका पहला वर्ण लिखिए. Means recognize the picture and write first letter of its name. Then what is that here? Before we learn, no? What is this? Album. No? Here, which letter is missing? A. A letter is missing. Then you have to write A. Okay? Now, album. Like that only. What is this here? Nak. Which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? See? I. I letter is missing here. Then you have to write here I. Okay? Ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Next, coming to third Roman. वर्ण जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. Add letter to make the word. Then here one letter is this. What is this letter, children? A. A. A say A. In front we kept A means ek. Ek means one. Okay. Next A. Ek tara. Ek tara. A. You have to keep this A here. Then ek tara means this one. Okay. Next this is AD. A. A. AD means heels. Okay. Next here see, what is this? A after I. You have to fill it I. I. I means what is this? This word? Ainak. Ainak means here spectacles. Okay, here I. Atlas means this here is a map. Okay, next A. This is I means Airavata. What is this Airavata means? Airavata means elephant. Okay na? Children, here up to here you understood no? And you have to fill it like that how I am written here. Okay na children? Now coming to fourth Roman. See, लिख कर सीखिए. Write and learn. How they written before we learn no? Like that you have to write like that. You have to up one draw line how they written and up one line will be like that. You have to fill it here this all. Okay, this is called a. Next how they written here no, like that you have to follow the same. Understood children? You have to write afterwards these all. You have to fill it in your textbook. Again what is this a after what? I. You have to write I. Okay, like that. Okay children, like that only you have to write full. And same like that down also you have to write. Means learn, write and learn. When you are writing you have to tell A. Again I. Okay na children? Okay, I hope you understood. Next मजे में. What is this मजे में? We will see. दादाजी अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. इनकी आंखों पर ऐनक लगाइए. Means what? Grandfather is reading newspaper. Put ऐनक on his eyes. Means ऐनक means what? This is the called ऐनक means spectacles. You have to keep in your grandfather, in this grandfather eye spectacles. How you like that you have to fill it. Okay now children? Okay, like that you have to fill it in your means put ऐनक on his eyes. Okay children, next coming ow. I after what children? I after A and I after O and ow. Okay, now we will learn O. Same like that you have to follow O. Okay, how they written no, like that only you have to follow. Okay, O means Oakley. Oakley means motor also we will call. Next ow means ow also same you follow like that. Ow, how they written you have to fill it and write. Okay, next ow means aurat means woman we will call in English. And children, what is this here? The picture is given no, you have to fill color also. Okay children? Okay, you understood no? O means Oakley and ow means aurat. You have to write same as it is what they here printing is there no, like that only you have to follow. Okay children? Now coming to अभ्यास कार्य एक्सरसाइज. वर्ण पहचानिए और रेखा खींचकर मिलाइए. Means recognize the letter and match it with a line. O. What is this? O. Where is here? O. This one is there. Okay. But when another one? As this is. Okay. Now same like that. O also. Ow. This is what is this letter? Ow. Where is that same letter? Yes. Here. I got here also. And I got here also. Okay. You also same you have to draw like that. You have to recognize where is the same letter and match it. Okay. Next, चित्र पहचानिए और उसका पहला वर्ण लिखिए. Means recognize the picture and write first letter of its name. What is this? What we learn in first page? What is this? O. Yes, very good. This is the O. Then what you have to write here? O. Okay children, you have to fill it like that. Okay? O. O means Oakley. Next, what is this letter? What here missing? Which letter is missing here? Yes, very good. Which letter is missing? Ow. Ow letter is missing here. Then you have to fill it here. Ow. Okay? Means ow. Say औरत. अब सेम लाइक दैट वर्ण जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. Add letter to make the word. Same before how we did know here, like that only you have to do here also. No, here we did, I think. Before, previous 8 in here. You know? Like that also. Like that only you have to do here also. Ow. No, O. O means os. O means os. In leaf is there, no? This one we will call a os. And O से ओढ़नी. O से ओढ़नी. ओढ़नी means what? This chunni. Okay? What is this? O से oat. O से oat means he is hiding no here. This one called a oat. Okay, now coming to ow. What is this ow? What? औषधि. औषधि means my medicine. औषधि. Okay? Now what is this? Ow. This will call औजार. औजार. Okay na here? What is this? औजार. Okay? Now ow. Ow say औलाद. Child. औलाद means you have to write here औलाद. Children, how I am written, no? You also follow the same and you have to write in your textbook. Okay, children? Now, see, लिख कर सीखिए. Means how they written here, ow, no, o, no. You have to follow like that only. O, same like that. How they written, you have to follow like that. Okay, children? Like that only you have to first line also complete. And next second line also like that only you have to. Ow also same you have to follow the same thing. Okay, and you have to fill it full. Okay, these two lines O and ow also. Okay, children. Now coming to मजे मजे में. What is this मजे मजे में? मणिका की ओढ़नी में अपनी पसंद का रंग भरिए. Here is there. Fill your favorite color in the stole of Manika. Means this chunni is there, no? This is odni. We will call odni. You have to fill it color. Which color you want, you have to. Which is your favorite color? Which color is suitable in this odni? You have to fill it and you have to decorate the odni also. Children, I hope you understood what I said, what I explained. Okay, children? You have to follow from here to here. Full you have to follow. And how I written, how I said, how I completed these all, no, you have to follow. Okay, children? Okay, now up line will be. Up line must and should you have to keep. Okay, na children? Okay. Now, tomorrow, next class, we will learn and aha. Okay? Thank you.